Okay, dear students, so very good morning. Today I would like to start a stoichiometry chapter. From this stoichiometry, two chapters are there. Some basic concepts of chemistry. And redox reactions. Some basic concepts of chemistry, redox reactions. Yes, the most important topic from this chapter, that is the mole concept. Mole concept. Mole concept. Mole concept. Sir, what is the mole? What is the mole? If you want to measure the length of this marker, maybe 10 centimeter or 20 centimeter. If you want to measure the weight of this marker, 10 grams or 20 grams or 15 grams. If you want to measure this length of this board of meter or 2 meter. If you want to measure the length from somewhere one distance, so particular distance, maybe meter, kilometer like this. If you want to measure the volume of liquid, 1 liter, 2 liter, 1 liter water, 2 liter water, 5 liter milk, 5 liter diesel, 10 liter petrol. So if you want to measure any physical quantity requires some unit. If you want to measure either atoms or elements, molecules, compounds, electron, proton, neutron, positron, gravitron, antineutrino, how to measure? Yes, required 1 unit. Required 1 unit. So if you want to measure any chemical component, required 1 unit. Mole. Mole is the standard unit of any chemical substance. Mole is the standard unit of any chemical substance. Mole is the standard unit of any chemical substance. 1 mole contains Avogadro number of particles. The particles, it may be atom or ion or molecule. 1 mole contains Avogadro number of particles. Avogadro number of particles. It contains atom or ion or molecule. So listen, my dear students, this point is very important. Please, everybody should write down this chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry. From basic concepts of chemistry and redox reactions, these two comments, stoichiometry. Right. From this chapter, mole concept. Mole. Sir, what is the mole? Mole can express in different ways. 1 mole corresponding to gram atomic weight of atom. 1 mole corresponding to gram atomic weight of atom. Gram atomic weight of atom. 1 mole corresponding to gram atomic weight of atom. 1 mole corresponding to gram molecular weight of molecule. 1 mole corresponding to gram atomic weight of atom. 1 mole corresponding to gram molecular weight of molecule. 1 mole occupies how much volume at STP? 22.4 liters at STP. Okay. 1 mole occupies how much volume at STP? 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. 1 mole, how many particles? Avogadro number of particles. Avogadro number of particles. That is 6.023 into 10 power of 23. 10 power of 23 particles. 1 mole corresponding to 1 gram atom. 1 mole corresponding to 1 gram atom. 1 mole corresponding to 1 gram molecule. 1 gram molecule. Dear students, understood? Mole. 1 mole corresponding to gram atomic weight of atom. 1 mole corresponding to gram molecular weight of molecule. 1 mole Avogadro number of particles, which is 6.023 into 10 power of 23 particles. 1 mole occupies how much volume at STP? 22.4 liters. 1 mole corresponding to 1 gram atom. 1 mole corresponding to 1 gram molecule. Completed?
Done, sir.
Right. And one more important, very well, atomic weight. Atomic weights. Without knowing atomic weights, we could not solve these questions. For example, roughly hydrogen atomic weight 1, helium atomic weight 4, lithium atomic weight 7, beryllium atomic 9, beryllium atomic weight roughly 9, boron atomic weight 10, carbon 12, nitrogen 14 atomic weight, oxygen 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the atomic numbers. This is the atomic weight. Fluorine 19, neon 20, sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminum 27, silicon 28, phosphorus 31, sulfur 32, chlorine 35, argon 36, potassium 39, calcium 40. Everybody should remember these atomic weights. Other than 20, definitely they will give in examination. Hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number 1, helium atomic number 2, mass number 4, lithium 3, 7, beryllium 4, 9, boron 5, 10, carbon 6, 12, nitrogen 7, 14, oxygen 8, 16, fluorine 9, 19, neon 10, 20. Sodium 11 atomic number, mass is 23, magnesium 12, 24, aluminum 13, 27, silicon 14, 28, phosphorus 15, 31, sulfur 16, 32, chlorine 17, 35, argon 18, 36, potassium 19, 39, calcium 20, 40. Any doubt? समझ में आया ना? This is the most important topic. By hearting nahi hote, dear students. That's why I am explaining very slowly. One mole corresponding to gram atomic weight of atom, gram molecular weight of molecule. 1 mole occupies how much volume at STP? 22.4 liter. 1 mole Avogadro number of particles. 1 mole 1 gram atom. 1 mole 1 gram molecule. Ahad, okay?
Yes, sir.
This is the new chapter. Okay, mole concept. This is stoichiometry chapter. From the stoichiometry, mole concept. Shall I rub it? Right. Dear students, atomic weight of carbon 12. Atomic weight of carbon 12. Atomic weight of carbon 12. 12 gram of carbon, gram atomic weight of atom corresponding to 1 mole. 12 gram of carbon, 12 gram of carbon, 1 mole. 12 gram of carbon, 1 gram of carbon atom. 1 gram of carbon atom. because this is not a molecule. Right? 12 gram of carbon contain Avogadro number of particles. Matlab 6.023 into 10 power. 12 gram of carbon occupies how much volume at STP? 22.4 liter. Because of gram atomic weight corresponding to 1 mole. Gram atomic weight corresponding to 1 mole. For example, 36 gram of carbon. 36 gram of carbon. How many moles? How many moles? Gram atomic.
6.
How many moles?
6 more.
3 moles, madam. Because 1 gram of carbon, 1 mole. 1 mole. 36 gram of carbon, how many moles? Yes, 3 moles. 3 moles. And one more important. 12 gram occupies 22.4 liter. 36 grams, because 12 gram is nothing but 1 mole. 12 gram is nothing but 1 mole. 1 mole occupies 22.4 liters at STP. 3 moles occupies how much volume? 3 into 22.4. Understood? 3 into 22.4 means 67.2 liters. Like that. Complete logic. Any doubt is there? Right. So, 1 mole, gram atomic weight of atom. If it is atom, atomic weight. If it is molecule, gram molecule. 1 mole occupies how much volume at STP? 22.4 liter. 1 mole Avogadro number of particles. 1 mole, 1 gram of 1 mole, 1 gram. Next, write down 1 mole corresponding to gram atomic weight of atom. Gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. 1 mole corresponding to gram atomic weight or gram molecule. Some particular weight, how many moles? N moles. Then cross multiplication. 1 into weight, which is equal to N into gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. N equal to weight upon gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. समझ में आया dear students? 1 mole corresponding to gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. Gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. N moles, how much weight? Understood now? That's a 1 into weight, N into this one. N equal to weight by gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight. समझ में आया this formula? Please write down, dear students. Right. Shall I repeat this one? If you have any doubt, no problem, ask me. Vaishnavi Jadhav, understood? Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Shraddha, understood?
Yes, sir.
Shrutika? Next. 1 mole occupies how much volume at STP? 22.4 liters. 1 mole occupied volume at STP. 1 mole occupied volume at STP, 22.4 liters. 4 liters. 1 mole occupied volume at STP, 22.4 liters. At STP, huh? For example, V liters occupied how many moles? N moles. 1 mole 22.4 liter. Otherwise 22.4 liter. 1 mole V liters, how many moles? N moles. Then 1 into V equal to 22.4 into N. then N equal to V by 22.4 liters. Volume by 22.4 liters. Number of moles equal to volume upon 22.4 liters. Number of moles equal to volume upon 22.4 liters. Number of moles equal to volume upon 22.4 liters. Any doubt? Next. Number of particles formula. Number of particles formula. Number of particles which is equal to, that number of particles means it may be atoms or ions or molecules. Okay, molecules, anything, atoms, ions or molecules or electron, proton, anything, number of particles. Number of particles equal to mole into Na. Na means Avogadro number. Na equal to Avogadro's number. Na equal to Avogadro's number. One mole corresponding to gram atomic weight of atom, 1 mole corresponding to gram molecular weight of molecule. 1 mole occupies 22.4 liter. 1 mole Avogadro number of particle. 1 mole 1 gram atom. 1 mole 1 gram molecule. If you want number of particles formula, mole into Avogadro number. Mole into Avogadro number. Next. Okay. Next. Equivalent weight concept. This is also most important, equivalent weight concept. Equivalent weight concept. Equivalent weight. Write down equivalent weight. Equivalent weight is the number of parts. It is the number of parts combined or displaced 1.008 gram of hydrogen, roughly 1 only, or 35.5 gram of hydrogen. Chlorine, sorry. Chlorine. It is the number of parts combined or displaced 1.008 gram, roughly 1 gram of hydrogen or 35.5 gram of chlorine. Is called equivalent weight. Is called equivalent weight. Equivalent weight. Next. One by one we will discuss. Equivalent weight of an acid. Equivalent weight of an atom equal to atom, which is equal to atomic weight upon valency. Equivalent weight of an atom equal to atomic weight upon valency. Dear students, listen carefully, very important topic this one. If you are taking atom element, equivalent weight of an element, okay? Element equal to atomic weight upon valency. So how do we know valency? Yes, valency, you know, this is the group, this is the group, This is the valency with respect to hydrogen. First group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group, zero group. First group valency 1, second group valency 2, third group valency 3, fourth group valency 4, fifth group valency 3, sixth group 2, seventh group 1, zero group 0. This is the valency. Equivalent weight of an element which is equal to atomic weight upon valency. That is the group corresponding its valencies. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 0. For example, element equivalent weight. Equivalent. And equivalent weight means atomic weight by valence here. Element we are taking oxygen. Oxygen belongs to sixth group. Sir, I don't know, sir, oxygen which group. Dear students, you have to complete at least group wise. First group is hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second group, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Third group, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Fourth group, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Fifth group, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Sixth group, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Seventh group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Zero group elements, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay. This is the oxygen. Oxygen equivalent weight. Equivalent weight means atomic weight by valency. Valency. And atomic weight of oxygen is 16. Valency is the 2. Equivalent weight is 8. Understood? Understood, dear students? Any doubt?
No, sir.
For example, sodium. Sodium belongs to which group? Sodium belongs to which group? First group. Sodium atomic weight 23. 23 upon 1, 23. Sodium equivalent weight 23. For example, magnesium. Magnesium is the second group. Magnesium atomic weight 24. 24 by 12 is the equivalent. For example, aluminium below. Aluminium atomic weight. Aluminium is the third group. Aluminium atomic weight 27. 27 by 3. 9. So just examples I am telling. So element equivalent weight equal to atomic weight by valency. Atomic weight by valency. That's why na इधर oxygen का oxide -2, sodium का +1, हाँ इधर -2 है ना, oxide का -2, sodium +1, magnesium +2, aluminum +3. Okay. Shall I rub it? Tejas, understood? Rohit, okay now? Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Right. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Equivalent weight of an acid. Equivalent weight of an acid. Equivalent weight of acid, which is equal to molecular weight by gram molecular weight upon basicity. Gram molecular weight upon basicity. So basicity means number of replaceable hydrogen atoms. Number of replaceable hydrogen atoms. Equivalent weight of acid equal to gram molar weight by basicity. Basicity means number of replaced hydrogen atoms. Okay. Acid equivalent weight. Listen dear students, for example HCl. Equivalent weight means molecular weight by basicity है ना. अरे molecular weight कितना है? Hydrogen 1 chlorine 35.5. 1 into hydrogen 1 into 1 direct I am writing here 1 into 1 chlorine 35.5 plus 1 36.5 36.5 by 1 equal to 36.5. Equivalent weight of HNO3 nitric acid. Basic means replaceable hydrogens, ionizable hydrogens. H plus Cl minus, H plus NO3 minus. So HNO3 hydrogen 1, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16. 3 16 of 48, 48 plus 14 plus 150. 48 plus 15, 63. 63 upon 1, which is equal to 63. Equivalent weight of nitric acid 63. Equivalent weight of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid H2SO. H2SO4 gram molecular weight is 98 because of hydrogen 1 202, sulfur 32, 131 into 32. 2 plus 32 34. Oxygen 16, 460 to 64. 64 plus 32 plus 2 98. But replaceable hydrogens, ionizable hydrogens. Any doubt? H2SO4, for example, this is the H2SO4. 2 into hydrogen, 1 into sulfur plus 4 into oxygen. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 32 plus 4 into 60. 2 plus 32 plus 64. This is the 98. 98 by 2, which is equal to 49. 49. Okay. HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. Okay, dear students. For example, H3PO2. H3PO2 is the hypophosphorus acid. H3PO2, hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid. H3PO2. H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid. H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid. This is, dear students, here what is the basicity? Sir, HCl basicity 1, sir. HNO3 basicity 1, sir. H2SO4 basicity is the 2, sir. Basicity is nothing but number of replaceable hydrogen atoms. What is the basicity of hypophosphorus acid? Tell me, dear students. What is the basicity? 3. No, madam, because if you see the structure, P double bond OH, hydrogen. Oxygen atom attached hydrogens are replaceable hydrogens, ionizable hydrogens. Oxygen atom attached hydrogens are ionizable hydrogen atoms. That's why its basicity is 1. Its basicity is 1. Atomic weight 1. समझ में आया ना? Next, phosphorus acid. H3PO3. P double bond OH. This is a phosphorus acid. What is the basicity of phosphorus acid?
2.
Oxygen atom attached hydrogens. अरे molecular weight find out करेंगे. 3 hydrogens है ना? 3 hydrogens means 3. 1 phosphorus means phosphorus 31. 2 oxygens, 2 into 16, 32. 32, 31, 63. 63 plus 3, 66. Okay, 66 by 1 means 66. This one. इधर देखो. 3 hydrogens 3, 1 phosphorus 31, 3 oxygen 316 to 48. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. 52 plus 3, 80, 30, 82. Understood? 82 by 2. 41. Equivalent weight of phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid, H3PO4. H3PO4 is the phosphoric acid. H3PO4 is the phosphoric acid. So what is the structure of phosphoric acid? P double bond O, OH, 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 OH. This is the phosphoric acid structure. Then equivalent weight equal to atomic weight by valence. 1, 2, 3. 3 replaces hydrogens. 3 hydrogens, 3. 1 phosphorus, 31. 4 oxygen, 64. 64 plus 34, 98. 98 by 3. 98 by 3 means 32 and 9. 3 to the 6. Barabar? 32.66 roughly. Any doubt, dear students? So, if you see previous year questions, generally we are expecting hypophosphorus acid basicity is 3, but basicity 1 because of oxygen attached hydrogens are hydrogens. Your basicity is 2, your basicity is 3. Any doubt? Yes. Hypophosphorus acid, HCl basicity 1 because of H plus and Cl minus, HNO3 basicity H plus and NO3 minus 1 H plus. Okay, H2SO4 basicity 2H plus and SO4 2 minus basicity 2. But H3PO2, how many replaceable hydrogens? Even though 3 hydrogens are there, but which is the replaceable hydrogens? Oxygen atom attached hydrogen is the replaceable hydrogen. Oxygen atom attached hydrogen is the replaceable hydrogen. One replaceable hydrogen. 66. Understood? Madam, this chapter is stoichiometry, madam. Means basic concepts of chemistry and redox reactions. In your material, stoichiometry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay? Prachi, okay now? H3PO2 basicity. Basicity means replaceable hydrogens. Replaceable hydrogens means ionizable hydrogens. Even though H3PO2 have 3 hydrogen atoms, but replaceable hydrogen is 1. Oxygen atom attached hydrogen is 1. That is the replaceable hydrogen. Phosphorus acid H3PO3. Oxygen atom attached hydrogen this one too. Any doubt? Either oxygen atom attached hydrogen sir 3. That's why 3. समझ में आया dear students? Replaceable hydrogens are basically Madam, you are asking 66, 98. What, madam? I could not understand. Kaveri, you are asking more concept?
Yes,
Acha,
sir.
this one. Madam, equivalent weight equal to atomic weight by gram molecular weight by basic, you know. H3PO2 gram molecular weight 66. H3PO3 gram molecular weight 82. H3PO4 gram molecular weight 98. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. Next. Shall I repeat?
No, sir.
लिखो.
Sir, I can see the board.
I think maybe आपका network issue. थोड़ा देखो network उधर, okay? प्रतीक्षा बोर्ड देख रहे ना?
Yes, sir.
Right. मैडम आपका network issue. Next. Equivalent weight of base equal to gram molecular weight by acidity. Acidity means number of replaceable OH atoms. Equivalent weight of base equal to gram molecular weight by acidity. Acidity means number of replaceable OH atoms. Okay. Next, we will discuss now with the examples. For example, this is the base. Equivalent weight of base equal to gram molecular weight by acidity. Second one, write down. Equivalent weight of base equal to gram molecular weight by acidity. Acidity means number of replaceable OH atoms. This is the base equivalent. Base is NaOH. Base is NaOH. Equivalent weight equal to gram molecular weight by 1. Sodium hydroxide 1 into 23. Sodium 23. Right? Okay. Oxygen 16, 1 into 16 plus hydrogen 1 into 1. So 23 plus 16 plus 1, which is equal to 40. Sodium hydroxide gram molecular weight is 40. Basicity means replaceable OH. Sorry, acidity means replaceable OH. 1 OH. 40 by 1, 40. Kaveri, understood?
Yes, sir.
Equivalent weight of CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. Oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. 16 plus 1, 17. 2 17 is 34. Calcium 40. 40 plus 34, 74. 74. So equivalent weight equal to molecular weight 74 upon basicity replaceable OH. How many replaceable OH? How many replaceable OH? 2 replaceable OH. 2 OH. 74 by 2, 37. 74 by 2, 37. Next. AlOH thrice. O 16, hydrogen 1 17, 3 17 are 51. Aluminum 27, 8 68. Molecular weight is 68. Basicity is, what is the basicity of AlOH? Acidity, what is the acidity? AlOH thrice. Understood? Right? Equivalent weight of base equal to gram molecular weight by acidity. Acidity means number of replaceable OH atoms. Base equal to equivalent. Okay. (68 by 3) means 3 2 is 6. Next.
सर वो 78 होगा.
अच्छा. 78, yeah, 78. 78 by 3. 78 by 3 means 326, है ना? Understood? Right. So equivalent weight of base equal to gram molecular weight by acidity. Acidity means number of replaceable OH atoms. Shall I repeat? Equivalent weight of salt, which is equal to gram molecular weight by charge of cation or anion. Charge of cation or anion. Equivalent weight of salt equal to gram molecular weight by charge of cation or anion. Equivalent weight of salt equal to gram molecular weight by charge of cation or anion. This is the salt. This is the salt corresponding its equivalent weight. Salt is NaCl. NaCl dissociate as Na plus Cl minus. Na plus Cl minus means 1 into plus 1 or 1 into minus 1 means either plus 1 or minus 1, which is nothing but equivalent weight. In fact, charge of cation or anion 1. Gram molecular weight of sodium chloride. Sodium 23, chlorine 35.5, 58.5 by 1 equals to 58.5. Understood? Sodium chloride. For example, MgCl2. MgCl2 ionize 1 Mg plus 2 Cl. Most of the students, they don't know ionization. MgCl2 dissociate 1 Mg 2 Cl. Either 2 can written as either plus 2, either 1, either minus 1. What is the charge of cation or anion? 1 into plus 2 plus 2. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So you can take divided by 2. Charge of either cation or anion. Cation charge plus 2. Anion charge minus 2. Sir, either plus 2, sir, either minus 2. You do need not take either plus or minus. Okay. Next. MgCl2 molecular weight. MgCl2 molecular weight कितने? 1 into Mg plus 2 into Cl. Mg 1 into 24, chlorine 2 into 35.5. So 71 plus 24, that is the 95. 95 by 2. 95 by 2. 95 by 2 means क्या है this one? 40 to 47.5. Like this. For example, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Na2CO3 dissociate as 2 Na plus 1 CO3. Either plus 1, either minus 2. Then sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate gram molecular weight, that is 106. 106. Na2CO3. 2 into 23 plus 1 into 12 plus 3 into 16. 46 plus 12 plus 48. 106. 106 by 2, which is equal to 53. by 2, which is equal to 53. Equivalent weight of salt equal to gram molecular weight by charge of cation or anion. Salt equivalent weight. This is the salt. It's equivalent. MgCl2, Mg plus 2. Dear students, understood? देखो. Any doubt? Next. For example, AlCl3. AlCl3 dissociate as 1 Al plus 3 Cl, either plus 3, either minus 1. Then what is the charge of cation or anion for this compound? 1 into plus 3 plus 3. 3 into minus 1 minus 3, either plus 3 or minus 3. AlCl3, 1 into Al plus 3 into Cl. 1 into Al 27, 3 into Cl 35.5. 27 plus 3 5s are 15. 1, 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. 1, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 106.5. 106.5 plus 27. Right? 3. Okay. Correct? 133.5. 133.5 by 3. Like that, you have to calculate. Any doubt? Dear students, understood now? Any doubt? Dear students, charge कैसे लिया? She is asking. Sodium chloride dissociate as. देखो. Sodium chloride dissociate as. How many sodium? One sodium. How many chlorine? One chlorine. So this one है ना इधर लिखो +1. This one है ना इधर लिखो -1. For example, MgCl2 dissociate as 1 Mg plus 2 Cl. इधर +2, इधर -2. Kaveri, understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So equivalent weight of an element equal to atomic weight by valency. Equivalent weight of acid equal to gram molecular weight by base. Base is number of replaceable atoms. Equivalent weight of base equal to gram molecular weight by acid. Acid means number of replaceable atoms. Equivalent weight of salt equal to gram molecular weight by charge of cation or anion. In equations, how to calculate, that is also I will discuss. 1 minute. Before going to that one, oxidation number concept देखो. Oxidation number. So what is the oxidation number? Tell me. For example, sodium is there. Sodium +1. Sodium oxidation number +1. Oxygen oxidation number -2. Magnesium +2. Magnesium oxidation number +2. What is oxidation number? What is oxidation number? Is the electric charge either +1 or -2 or +2? Sir, is it required either +1 or is it required either -2? Is it required either +2? Yes, required. To attain nearest inert gas configuration. Nearest inert gas configuration. Dear students, listen carefully. For example, fluorine. Fluorine atomic number 9, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. In the outermost orbit, 7 electrons are there. F minus, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Fluorine oxidation number minus. Oxygen 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 2 plus 4, 6 electron in the outermost orbit. O -2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Outermost orbit 8 electrons. For example, magnesium. Magnesium is the 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Magnesium. Magnesium lose 2 electron, Mg +2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Yes, 3s0. 3s0. After last electron, this one your 8 electrons are there. Here. Okay, your 8 electrons. Here 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. So, what is the oxidation number, dear students? What is the oxidation number? Electric charge of an element. 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 Oxidation number. Is it required? Electric charge means yes, required to attain inert gas configuration. To attain inert gas configuration, either loss of an electron or gain of an electron. If it is loss of an electron, positive oxidation state. Gain of an electron, negative oxidation state. समझ में आया, dear students? What is the oxidation number? Electric charge of an element, oxidation number. Yes, electric charge means is it positive or negative? Is it required positive or negative? Means yes, required to attain inert gas configuration. Positive oxidation state acquired by loss of an electron, negative oxidation state acquired by gain of an electron. Understood? Rohini, understood?
Yes, sir.
Write down, write down. Write down. Next, rules to calculate oxidation number. Rules. Rules. The first rule. Dear students, listen carefully. Rules. HCl. In HCl, hydrogen plus 1, chlorine minus 1. Hydrogen plus 1 oxidation state, chlorine minus 1. Are only hydrogen oxidation state 0. Only chlorine oxidation state 0. In H2, hydrogen oxidation state 0. Means oxidation state exhibit in combined state only, not in free state. This is in free state. This is in original state. Because hydrogen naturally occurring in the form of diatomic gaseous state. This is the original state. These are the rules. So what is the first rule? What is the first rule? An element uncombined state or free state and original state, its oxidation number 0. Its oxidation number 0. This is the first rule. An element uncombined state or free state and original state, its oxidation number 0. समझ में आया dear students? Example. For example, hydrogen H2, nitrogen N2, phosphorus P4, sulfur SC, oxygen O2. These all are original state. Okay. Only elementary state. Only elementary state means chlorine level. Cl2. Halogens naturally occurring in the form of X2. X2 means X2, where X equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iron. Or inert gases. Elementary state: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Its oxidation number is 0. Understood? This is its original state. Yeah. H2, N2, P4 phosphorus 0, acid sulfur 0, O2O 0, X2 X0, X1 chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Definitely these are original atomic state. Any doubt, dear students? Any doubt?
Wait, sir.
No, liquid. No, I am not writing. Okay. First A group elements, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium plus 1. Second A group elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Okay, radioactive element we could not take it. +2 oxidation state, right? First A group elements. Okay, hydrogen directly. First A group elements: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium plus 1. Second A group elements: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium plus 1. Halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine -1. Halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine -1. Whatever I am writing, these oxidation state in combined state, not in free state, in combined state. Oxygen -2, -1, -1/2. That is this is in common oxides. This is in common oxides. In peroxides. This is in peroxides. This is in superoxides. Sixth rule, hydrogen +1 and -1 with metals -1. Hydrogen with metals -1. Hydrogen with non-metals +1. Right down. These are the most important rules, dear students. Right down. What is the oxidation number? It is the electric charge of an element, oxidation number. An element uncombined state or free state and original state, its oxidation number 0. Hydrogen H2, nitrogen N2, phosphorus P4, sulfur S8, oxygen O2, halogen H2. Inert gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. First year group element +1, second year group element +2, halogens -1. Okay. Any doubt? Next. Listen, my dear students. For example, KMnO4. In KMnO4, manganese oxidation state, underline atom. 1 into K plus 1 into X plus 4 into oxygen equal to 0. We have to find out oxidation state manganese. Which element oxidation state you can find out? That element is the X. 1 into K means 1 into +1 plus 1 into XX plus 4 into oxygen -2 equal to 0. 1 plus X minus 8 0. Then X minus 7 equal to 0. Then X equal to +7. K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7. 2 into potassium plus 2 into chromium X plus 7 into oxygen equal to 0. 2 into potassium plus 1, 2 into X2X, 7 into oxygen -2 equal to 0. 2 plus 2X minus 14 equal to 0. समझ में आया रे? Potassium देखो, potassium is this one here, +1. Oxygen -2 in general. 2x minus 12 equal to 0. 2x equal to 12. X equal to +6. Any doubt? Or if rule requires 7th rule, sulfur +6, right? Sulfur +6. Any doubt? Completed? Everybody completed?
No, sir.
हाँ लिखो लिखो.
Done, sir.
This is the neutral molecule, sum of the oxidation number 0. If it is a charged ion, sum of the oxidation number which is equal to its charge. Okay. For example, NO3 minus. NO3 minus. Then 1 into X plus 3 into oxygen equal to -1. X plus 3 into -2 equal to -1. X minus 6 equal to -1. X equal to -1 plus 6 equal to +5. X equal to +5. NO3 minus +5. Understood? If it is charge, should be equal to charge. Otherwise, NH4 plus hydrogen we have to find out. 1 into X, 4 into hydrogen, which is equal to plus 1. Hydrogen with non-metal. This is the nitrogen non-metal. Hydrogen with non-metal, that's the hydrogen plus 1. 1 into X plus 4 into hydrogen plus 1 equal to plus 1. Then X plus 4 equal to plus 1. X equal to plus 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3. So nitrogen minus 3 oxidation state in this compound. समझ में आया ना? Understood, dear students?
Yes, sir.
OF2 oxygen oxidation number find out करो. In O2F2 oxygen oxidation number find out करो. In OF2 oxygen oxidation state, in O2F2 oxygen oxidation state. In OF2, fifth one, पहले these two complete करो. 1 into X plus 2 into fluorine equal to 0. X plus 2 into minus 1, 0. X minus 2, 0. Then X equal to plus 2. In OF2, oxygen plus 2. In O2F2, 2 into X plus 2 into fluorine equal to 0. 2X plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 0. 2X minus 2, 0. 2X equal to 2. X equal to plus 1. Means in oxyfluorides, oxygen exhibit positive oxidation state because fluorine is more electronegative element than oxygen. Electronegativity more means definitely this one exhibit negative, that one exhibit positive. That's why oxygen positive oxidation state. Any doubt, dear students? In oxyfluorides, oxygen exhibit positive oxidation state due to fluorine is the highest electronegative element. In oxyfluorides, oxygen exhibit positive oxidation state due to fluorine is highest electronegative element. Oxyfluoride, oxygen exhibit positive oxidation state. Okay. समझ में आया ना? In H2O2 oxygen oxidation state, KO2 oxygen oxidation state. Find out करो. First, In H2O2, oxygen oxidation state. In KO2, oxygen oxidation state.
-1 and -1/2.
Yes. If we calculate H2O2 -1, good, right? Because of 2 into hydrogen plus 2 into X equal to 0. Which element of oxidation state you have to find out? That element X. 2 into hydrogen plus 1 plus 2X equal to 0. 2X equal to, it's 2X plus 2 0 plus 2 0. 2X equal to -2, X equal to -1. KO2. KO2 1 into K plus 2 into X equal to 0. K plus 1 plus 2X equal to 0. 1 plus 2X 0. 2X equal to -1. X equal to -1/2. Oxygen exhibit -1. This is the peroxide. Peroxide. -1/2. This is the superoxide. Superoxide. Oxygen exhibit -1. That is peroxide. Oxygen exhibit -1/2. That is the superoxide. Everybody completed?
Sir, wait. Done, sir.
Okay, okay. And one more important rule, dear student. An element oxidation number maximum its group number, right? An element oxidation number maximum its group number. For example, while calculating if it exceeds its group number, definitely such type of compounds having peroxy linkage. I will explain that example. H2SO5. H2SO5. Calculate karo oxidation number sulfur. H2SO5. H2SO5. 2 into hydrogen plus 1 into X plus 5 into oxygen equal to 0. Hydrogen plus 1 plus X plus 5 into -2 equal to 0. 2 plus X minus 10 equal to 0. X minus 8 equal to 0. X equal to plus 8. X equal to plus 8. Understood? In H2SO5, sulfur plus 8. Sir, is it right or wrong? Means wrong, because sulfur which group? Sulfur which group, dear students? Sixth group element. An element oxidation number, if it exceeds its group number, definitely that compound having peroxy linkage. Yes, which is having peroxy linkage. Actually, sulfur maximum plus 6 hona chahiye. Because of sulfur sixth group element, while calculating you are getting plus 8. Definitely this is having peroxy linkage. Peroxy linkage. So in peroxy linkage, this is the peroxy linkage. In peroxy linkage, oxygen exhibit -1. Oxygen exhibit -1. Understood? So means in H2SO5, out of 5 oxygens, 2 oxygen peroxy, remaining oxygen common. So that's why how to calculate H2SO5 oxidation number. 2 into hydrogen plus 1 into sulfur X plus. Out of 5 oxygens, 3 oxygens are common plus 2 oxygens are peroxy equal to 0. 2 hydrogens, hydrogen plus 1 plus X plus oxygen common. कॉमन ऑक्सीजन है तो -2 रे, peroxide ऑक्सीजन है तो -1 equal to 0. This step understood, dear students? First you have to calculate according to procedure. In the procedure, while calculation of this one, if you are getting more than its group number, sulfur 6th group, but you are getting +8, exceeds its group number, definitely this compound having peroxy linkage. In peroxy linkage, O bond OE is there. Oxygen -1 means 2 oxygens. Out of 5 oxygens, 2 oxygens peroxy. Remaining 3 oxygens are common. 2 plus x minus 6 minus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. X minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to +6. Okay? Understood? Any doubt? Dear students, understood now? This is wrong, this is right. Yeah? Process understood? An element oxidation number exceeds its group number, definitely that compound having peroxy linkage. Any doubt?
Sir, repeat again.
No, that's why I'm asking. So, okay, you are calculated according to procedure, right? 2 into hydrogen, sulfur will go 1 into x, 5 into oxygen, 0. Hydrogen +1, oxygen -2. 2 into +1 plus x, 5 into -2. 2 plus x minus 10, 0. X minus 8, 0. X equal to +8. Sulfur, you get +8. Wrong. Sir, why? Sulfur 6th group element. An element oxidation number, if it exceeds its group number, an element oxidation number exceeds its group number having peroxy linkage. This is wrong, right? Always maximum oxidation number is always equal to maximum its group number. होना चाहिए, but you are getting +8. Such type of compounds are having peroxy linkage. In peroxy linkage मतलब O bond O linkage, oxygen oxygen single linkage, oxygen exhibit -1. Okay, right. The 2 hydrogens plus 1x. Okay, 1x. Out of 5 oxygens, 2 oxygen peroxy. This is 2 peroxy. Remaining 3 oxygens, common oxygen. Oxygen common, 2 oxygen peroxy. Common oxygen -2, peroxy -1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
H2S2O8 sulfur. Find out correct. H2S2O8 sulfur.
Seven.
Is it right? 7, is it right?
No.
No, because of sulfur maximum +6 होना चाहिए. But while calculating, we are getting +7 means this compound having peroxy linkage. Peroxy means 2 oxygens peroxy. Out of 8, 2 oxygen peroxy, remaining 6 oxygen common. Solve करो. exceeds its group number, definitely which is having peroxy linkage. Here oxygen minus 1. Out of 8, 2 peroxy. Remaining 6 common. Understood now? Plus 6 is the correct answer. Plus 7 is the wrong answer. Any doubt? Completed?
No, sir.
Shall I repeat? Vaishnavi, shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Next. This is my dear students. Oxidation reduction. Oxidation oxidation loss of electron oxidation, loss of hydrogen oxidation, loss of electropositive element, electropositive element oxidation, loss of electron, loss of hydrogen, loss of electropositive element. Gain of oxygen, gain of electronegative element, gain of electronegative element, increase in oxidation number, increase in oxidation number, increase in oxidation number. Loss of electron, loss of hydrogen, loss of electropositive element, gain of electronegative element, increase in oxidation. These are the oxidation. Reduction means reverse rate. Gain of electron reduction, gain of electron, gain of hydrogen, loss, gain of electropositive element, gain of electropositive element, loss of oxygen, loss of electronegative, decrease in oxidation number, decrease in oxidation number. Okay, समझ में आया ना? The substance which can undergo reduction, the substance which can undergo reduction The substance which can undergo oxidation itself act as reducing agent. The substance which can undergo reduction itself act as oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Okay, समझ में आया ना? कंप्लीट है?
No, sir.
हाँ लिखो.
Sir, I can't think.
Let's see, madam. Next. Okay. The substance, the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Such type of reactions are redox reactions. You know very well. Redox reactions means the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Such type of reactions are redox reactions. For example, this one, C plus O2 CO2. In C, carbon oxidation number 0. O2 oxygen oxidation number, O2 oxygen oxidation number 0. Understood, right? Because in free state, this is also original state. Oxygen combined state is there. Oxygen combined state, that's why. Oxygen combined state, that's why -2. Oxygen combined state -2. Oxygen combined state -2. Carbon, oxygen -2 है तो carbon oxidation number how much? In CO2 carbon oxidation number 1 into X plus 2 into oxygen equal to 0. X plus 2 into -2 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to plus 4. 0 to plus 4 oxidation. 0 to plus 4 oxidation. 0 to -2 oxidation number decreases. Reduction. 0 to plus 4 oxidation, 0 to -2 reduction. समझ में आया dear students? Carbon oxidation number increases, oxidation. Oxygen oxidation number decreases, reduction. Any doubt?
No.
Any doubt? So both oxidation and reduction, that is the redox reaction. Redox reaction. So this is the one of the type redox reaction. This is a combination reaction. Combination. combination reaction. Redox reaction type, combination reaction. Any doubt? Next. Decomposition reaction. Two KClO3 gives rise to 2 KCl plus 3O. इधर क्लोरीन कैलकुलेट किया तो +5, क्लोरीन -1, ऑक्सीजन कंबाइंड स्टेट -2, ऑक्सीजन फ्री स्टेट -2 to 0, -2 to 0 oxidation number increases, oxidation, +5 to -1 decreases, reduction. One component can be split into more than one, decomposition. Two combined to give one, combination. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction. Understood? Next. Displacement reactions. Okay, displacement reaction. Zn plus CuSO4, ZnSO4 plus C. Here Zn oxidation number 0, here Zn oxidation number +2. Otherwise calculate करो आप 0 to +2 oxidation. Copper oxidation number here +2, here copper oxidation number 0. Because of free state or uncombined state, +2 to 0 oxidation number decreases, reduction. Oxidation reduction. That is it. Okay. Zn plus CuSO4, ZnSO4 plus C. Displacement reaction this one. Completed? Next. Shall I repeat?
Done, sir.
Next. Disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. So disproportionation reaction is in a redox reaction, same element can undergo both oxidation and reduction. For example, H2O2 gives rise to H2O plus of O2. Otherwise, 2H2O2, 2H2O plus O2. O2 oxygen oxidation number -1, either oxygen oxidation number -2, either oxygen. -1 to -2 oxidation number decreases, reduction. -1 to 0 oxidation number increases, this is the oxidation. So, listen my dear students, in a redox reaction, same element, if you see the combination or decomposition or displacement, one element oxidation, another element reduction. But in the disproportionation reaction, same element can undergo both oxidation and reduction. Yes, oxygen is a reduction, oxygen is an oxidation. In a redox reaction, same element can undergo both oxidation and reduction. Such type of redox reactions are called disproportionation reactions. Okay. Disproportionation reactions. Comproportionation reaction. So, reverse of disproportionation reaction, comproportionation reaction. Ag2 plus Ag gives rise to 2Ag plus. Either plus 2, either 0, either plus 1. Plus 2 to plus 1 decreases, reduction. 0 to plus 1 increases, oxidation. Either they go 1 becomes 2, either 2 becomes 1. Reverse of disproportionation reaction, comproportionation. Understood? Disproportionation reaction means in a redox reaction, same element can undergo both oxidation and reduction. That is the disproportionation reaction. Comproportionation reaction means reverse of disproportionation. Reverse. Any doubt? Completed?
Repeat करो ना sir.
That's why I am waiting. Dekho dear, generally one element oxidation, another element reduction. That is the disproportionation reaction. Either combination or decomposition or displacement. But either dekho, only oxygen, either oxygen -1 to -2 reduction, decreases oxidation number, reduction. -1 to 0 oxidation number increases, oxidation. Means only one element oxidation, the same element can undergo reduction. Same element. Understood, right?
Yes.
Generally, redox reaction, one element oxidation, another element reduction. But in the disproportionation reaction, only one element can undergo both oxidation and reduction. Next. Shall I repeat? Next. Sir, equivalent weight, 2-3 concepts left that time. For example, this is the KMnO4. KMnO4 in acidic medium, which is converted to the Mn2 plus. Sir, what is the equivalent weight in acidic medium? That is the question. So if you want, right, first you have to find out oxidation state, manganese oxidation state. Here manganese oxidation state +7. Either manganese oxidation. That manganese oxidation state how much? Mn+2 manganese oxidation state. Mn+2 manganese oxidation state. +2. Mn+2 means +2. KMnO4 manganese +7. अभी कैलकुलेट किया ना ऑलरेडी. Otherwise आप कैलकुलेट करो. +7 to +2 oxidation number what happened? Decreases. Reduction. Okay. Difference क्या है? 5. +7 to +2 difference is 5. Sir, how to calculate equivalent weight of KMnO4? +7 to +2 reduction. Reduction is itself factor as oxidation. So if you want to calculate equivalent weight of oxidizing agent or reducing agent, what is the formula? Simple technique I will tell. Equivalent weight of KMnO4 equal to gram molecular weight by M means gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight by how many manganese atoms? 1 upon change in oxidation number 5. Then m by 1 into 1 by 5, which is equal to m by 5 is the answer. समझ में आया मैं कैसे कैलकुलेट किया? KMnO4 to Mn+2 +7 +2 difference 5. Equivalent weight of KMnO4 molecular weight by how many manganese? 1 by 1 upon change in oxidation number 5. Okay, right. Next, K2Cr2O7 gives rise to Cr+3. Cr3 plus. That chromium oxidation number +6. इधर chromium oxidation number +3. Difference क्या है? 3. Equivalent weight of K2Cr2O7 gram molecular weight by how many chromium atoms? 2. Change in oxidation number 3. Then m by 6. मतलब m by 2 into 1 by 3 equal to m by 6. Understood how I am doing? Any doubt? M means molecular weight. M means molecular weight. Any doubt? समझ में आया रे? Change in oxidation number. Shrutika understood? Shruti? Shruti understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. I'll give you the examples. P4 gives rise to PH3. Tell me, calculate करो. P4 gives rise to PH3. Calculate करके मेरे को बताओ आंसर. P4 gives rise to PH3. Understood? Tell me. In P4, phosphorus oxidation number 0. In pH3, phosphorus oxidation number is -3. 0 to -3, difference is 3. Change in oxidation number 3. Equivalent weight of P4 equal to gram molecular weight upon gram molecular weight means m by how many phosphorus 4 upon change in oxidation number 3, then m by 4 into 1 by 3, m by 12 is the answer. Understood? समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is m? Molecular weight of P4. If you want to answer, phosphorus 31. 4 phosphorus. 4 into 31 by 12. Okay? 4 1s are 4 3s are 31 by 3. 10.33. That is the answer. Okay? Next. Sometimes sir, disproportionation reaction, how to calculate equivalent weight. For example, P4 gives rise to pH3 plus H2PO2 minus. And P4 phosphorus 0, pH3 phosphorus -3. But in H2PO2 minus, 2 into hydrogen, 1 into X plus 2 into oxygen minus 1. 2 into hydrogen plus 1, X plus 2 into -2 equal to -1. 2 plus X minus 2 equal to -1. X equal to -1. 2 into -2 -4. 2 plus X minus 4 equal to -1. X minus 2 equal to -1. X equal to -1 plus 2. X equal to +1. Your phosphorus is +1. 0 to +1. 0 to +1. Oxidation. Change in oxidation number 1. 0 to this one, 0 to -3. Change in oxidation number 3. Reduction. Change in oxidation number 3. Understood? Sir, how to calculate equivalent weight? First, this one. M by 4 phosphorus atom upon 3 plus M by 4 upon 1. And then M by 12 plus M by 4 is the answer. Understood, dear students? Any doubt?
So please repeat once again.
Definitely. Dear students, P4 gives rise to pH3 plus H2PO2 minus. In P4 phosphorus 0, pH3 phosphorus -3. P4 0, H2PO2 minus phosphorus +1. Your same element rate. Same element can undergo both oxidation and reduction. This is example for disproportionation. 0 to +1 oxidation, 0 to -3 reduction. Same element can undergo both oxidation and reduction. Such type of reactions are disproportionation reaction. Yes, this is the disproportionation reaction. समझ में आया ना? So
Yes,
how to calculate? First M by this one I am taking. First reduction M by 4 because of 4 phosphorus M by 4 upon change in oxidation number 3 plus M by 4 upon change in oxidation number 1 M by 4. Then M by 12 plus M by 4. M means weight of gram molecular weight of P4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. If it is given structure, how to calculate oxidation number, we will discuss. Okay. Br3O8. Br3O8. Structure also given. Br double bond O, double bond O. Br, Br. Wait. Double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. Okay. Br3O8. This is the structure of Br3O8. Structure of Br3O8. Dear students, double bond oxygen minus 2. Double bond oxygen minus 2. Single bond oxygen minus 1. OH minus 1. Okay. Means this is the minus 2, 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 this is the minus 2. Double bond oxygen. Okay, na? Double bond oxygen minus 2. Please concentrate. Br को सेम एलिमेंट अटैच हो गया था दिस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू Br दिस इज 0 अरे -2 -2 -2 -6 Br को दिस साइड 0 सेम एलिमेंट है तो 0 मींस -2 -2 -2 0 -6 देन ब्रोमीन डेफिनेटली +6 अंडरस्टूड right -2 -2 -2 -6 ब्रोमीन को ब्रोमीन मींस 0 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट so that's why this Br +6 understood understood right
Yes, sir.
इधर ब्रोमीन देखो इधर -2 इधर -2 -4 बट इधर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस ब्रोमीन इधर ब्रोमीन दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज 0 विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस ब्रोमीन 0 so 0 0 -2 -2 -2 -2 means -4 then bromine is +4 so in Br3O8 +6 +4 +6 oxidation state individual sir average oxidation state average oxidation state 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 6 16 16 how many bromine 3 16 by 3 answer understood any doubt any doubt next C3O2 in C3O2 in C3O2 O double bond C double bond C double bond C double bond O. Structure this one double bond oxygen -2 double bond oxygen -2 this carbon 0 right this carbon 0 because of this carbon both side carbons are there then calculate करो central carbon this carbon -2 0 -2 then definitely carbon +2 होना चाहिए -2 0 -2 then carbon this carbon +2 होना चाहिए any doubt dear students
No, sir.
Okay, dear students. So today what we discuss? Mole concept, equivalent weight concept, oxidation number concept, types of redox reaction, combination, decomposition, disproportionation, and proportionation. These reactions are completed.